Good morning. We will continue from last class I had given for homework, and today I will do bit slowly because the two problems what I am doing today is very important from exam point of view. It is also there in the model question papers. Okay. Once again, I repeat, I am going to discuss that homework problem, and also the two problems which I do today is from the old question paper, and also same type of problem is also there in your model question papers. It is there in model question paper 1 also, model question paper 2 also, but number has been changed. That you should solve. Number has been changed. Okay, that is your work to solve it correctly now. So I'll do it very slowly. Now first of all, the homework problem which I had given in a bivariate data means two variable. The regression coefficients are minus 7.3 and minus 0.11. In a bivariate data, the regression coefficients are minus 7.3 and minus 0.11. Find the coefficient of correlation. This is the question. So the regression coefficients are given. Regression coefficients means you know bxy and byx. It might be positive or negative in between minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. There bxy and byx, they are given. So the formula which you have to think here is the formula connecting coefficient of correlation, that is R, and bxy and byx. I told in the last session. The formula you have to think to solve this problem is the formula connecting coefficient of correlation R and bxy and byx. So R is equal to plus or minus square root of bxy into byx. R is equal to plus or minus square root of bxy into byx. Okay. So this is plus or minus into minus 7.3 into 0.11. Use your calculators. My answer might be wrong. If it is wrong, just correct it. So 0.803 I get. So plus or minus square root of 0.803 will get 0.8965 plus or minus. Now the doubt comes whether to use plus or whether to use minus. Whether to use plus or minus. Now here we put negative because the both the bxy and byx are I have given in the note in the beginning of regression. See the note. I have given some points. Note. There it is given very clearly if bxy and byx are negative. If the regression coefficients are negative, then R will also be negative. Here it is plus or minus. It is your duty or your work to put whether plus or minus. This plus or minus sign depends on the sign of bxy and byx. If both bxy and byx are negative, as you can see in the problem, that means if both the regression coefficients, bxy and byx means regression coefficients, if both the regression coefficients are negative, then the coefficient of correlation will also be negative. So I have written here, since the regression coefficients are negative, the coefficient of correlation is also negative. This is given in the note. So I give note here. So we put the negative sign, that is minus 0.8961. So I put the negative sign minus 0.861. Okay, minus 0.861. I hope it is clear. Now here we go. That is the homework problem I had given. Now what problem? Two problems I am solving today. It is very important. Very important problem. It is there in the model question papers also, but in different numbers. You have to solve it. I will not solve again. So two problems. How to solve it? Different conditions. So very important problem. So I got that is question number 8. It is also this I am solving from the old question paper, but same type of problem is there in model question paper also. See, the question is in a bivariate data, the two regression equations are 3x plus 4y equals 1 and 3x plus y equals 4. In a bivariate means two data, that is two data is there. In a bivariate data, the two regression equations are, see once again I request all the students, don't press any button in your mobile when the class is going on because it will disturb the class. And the class is being recorded. As a result, the video will get disturbed. So I am also not touching anything, only doing the class, that's all. Because anything we touch it, you know software, you are computer science students, it will disturb the class and full video will be upset or the software will be upset and all those things. So to avoid that, please just listen, that's all. Any doubt, there is time to ask for you later or The Norse is there in the group also. So in a bivariate data, the two regression equations are 3x plus 4y equals 1 and 3x plus y equals 4. In a bivariate data, the two regression equations are 3x plus 4y equals 1 and 3x plus y equals 4. So the two regression equations are given. You know, regression equation, there are two types. One is x on y, another is y on x. So in this, which is x on y, which is y on x, that we'll see later. So find x bar and y bar. Excuse me. Find x bar and y bar. X bar and y bar means the mean. Find the mean. X bar and y bar, mean of x and mean of y. That is x bar and y bar. Find r. R means the coefficient of correlation. R means the coefficient of correlation. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now, here, so again I repeat, in a bivariate data, the two regression equations, 3x plus 4y equals 1 and 3x plus y equals 4. The two regression equations are given. Find x bar and y bar, that is find the mean of x and also find the mean of y. And second sub question is find r. R means coefficient of correlation. Okay. Now first question, we'll try to solve the first sub question. So I have to write the question number clearly. In the VTU exams, you have to write 8-1 like that. 1. Now we know very clearly from the theory what we studied. We know very clearly. I have given it in the form of note. Just see the previous session notes. All of you write the notes. Since the regression lines intersect at x bar, y bar, always the regression lines intersect at x bar, y bar. I told many times, always the regression lines intersect at x bar and y bar. Regression lines intersect at x bar, y bar. That means the point of intersection of the regression lines is x bar, y bar. The values of x and y are obtained by solving the regression equations x and y. So, since the regression lines meet at the point x bar, y bar, or the point of intersection is x bar, y bar, the values of x bar, y bar can be calculated by solving the given two equations for x and y. So I take the given two equations in this form, right hand side, one side, it's a simultaneous linear equation. Now it is very simple for you. 3x plus 4y equals 1, 3x plus y equals 4, either adding, subtracting, multiply by 4, dividing, etc. Or best method for you is use your calculator. You know how to use your calculator, your time will be saved. Try to get the correct answer from the calculator. So solving the two equations, 3x plus 4y equals 1 and 3x plus y equals 4. Solving the two equations, 3x plus 4y equals 1 and 3x plus y equals 4, I get x equals 5 by 3 and y equals minus 1. So I get x equals 5 by 3 and y equals minus 1. So this is x bar, first one x bar and second one is y bar. So the given two lines, I arrange it x term, then y term, then constant I keep other side, or you can write directly. And solve these two equations. Either you know to solve it, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, etc. Or use calculator, answer should be same. All of you should get same answer. So x bar is 5 by 3, y bar is minus 1. So this is the first step. Now comes the second step, that is find r. So we don't know which is the equation of, there are two regression lines given. See, the regression lines are, one is 3x plus 4y equals 1, another is 3x plus y equals 4. Two regression lines given, but we do not know which is the regression equation x on y and which is the regression equation y on x. So what we do, we assume, see, I underlined here for your understanding, I assume, let the regression, first I take y on x, or you can take x on y, anything. Let the regression equation of y on x be, I take the first one, 3x plus 4y equals 1, I take it as equation 1. And if one equation is the regression equation of y on x, the another equation will be x on y. So the regression equation of x on y will be 3x plus y equals 4. So I take such type of problems to calculate the coefficient of correlation R. I take, let the regression equation of y on x be 3x plus 4y equals 1. Take it as equation 1. And another one, let the regression equation of x on y be 3x plus y equals 4. I take it as 2. Now, because this is y on x, because the first equation is the regression equation of y on x, I should write it as y equals. I should write, because the equation I have taken it as y on x, I have taken it as, I assumed it as the regression equation of y on x, I should write it as y equals. So I write it 4y keeping one side 1 minus 3x like this, and I write y is equal to mx plus c, that form. because it is the regression equation of y on x, I write like this. And equation 2 is the regression equation of x on y. So I write again in this form, x equals, so minus y plus 4, then x equals minus 1 by 3y plus 4 by 3. Now this part will be b of yx, because it is a regression equation of y on x. This part will be b of yx. Remember, this will be b of yx, that is minus 3 by 4. This will be b of xy, that is minus 1 by 3. So I hope you followed. So the regression equation of y on x, this, so write it as y equals, you know this you have done many times this time in your study, okay, right from 9th 10th standard. Okay, write it as y equals, how, take 3x to the other side, minus 3x plus 1, then cross multiply like this, you get like this, because it is y on x. And the second equation is x on y, so I write it as x equals minus 1 by 3y plus 4 by 3 like that, because it is x on y. Now this part, because it is the equation y on x, this will be byx, because it is the regression equation y on x, equation 1, this all equation 1, because it's the regression equation y on x, it will be byx. Because this is the regression equation x on y, this will be bxy. So I got it. Now, once you know bxy and byx, it's very easy. Coefficient of correlation r equals plus or minus square root of bxy into byx or byx into bxy, anything, same. So I get r is equal to plus or minus square root of this values I wrote, minus into minus plus 0.25 square root of, that is you get minus 0.5. You get plus or minus 0.5. Now, to put the sign of r, to decide the sign of the coefficient of correlation r, you make use of the note. That is, if both the regression coefficients, regression coefficients are negative, if both the regression coefficients are negative, r should also be negative. If both the regression coefficients are positive, r should be positive. If both the regression coefficients are negative, r should be negative. So I put the sign as r equals minus 0.5. Okay, here it is easy question. So this is one problem to find one method. That is, the problem is direct. Very important question. Such type of question is there in a model question paper. Model question paper 1 also it is there, 2 also it is there. In the old question paper, I solved the problem. You solve from the model question paper. Okay. Now, first is, I again repeat the question. Since the regression, you know that in a bivariate data, the two regression equations are 3x plus 4y equals 1 and 3x plus y equals 4. So find x bar and y bar. That is the question. Find x bar and y bar and find r. Okay. Now the regression lines, you know, the two regression lines always intersect at x bar, y bar. I have given in the form of note. If you have forgotten, just know now at least. That means the point of intersection of regression lines is x bar, y bar. The point of intersection of regression lines is x bar, y bar. The point of intersection of regression lines is x bar, y bar. Okay. So what does it mean? We have to solve the two equations. The point of intersection means we have to solve the two equations. The point of intersection means we have to solve the two equations. So we take the two equations in this form: x term, y term, constant one side, x term, y term, constant one side, and then we solve it. Now solving, either it can be done by, you know, already you solved many live simultaneous equations in lower class also, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, etc. Or best method is you can use your calculator. Already you have to use calculator in this module many times. So better use calculator, and you will get x equals 5 by 3 and y equals minus 1. All of you should get same answer. Just check it. I might be wrong. So this is the point of intersection, and the regression in regression lines, the point of intersection is x bar, y bar. That is mean of x and mean of y. So x bar is 5 by 3, y bar is minus 1. So first part. Now the second part of the question, sub question, to find r. So to find r, now the two regression lines are given. We do not know which is the regression line y on x, which is the regression line x on y. So what we do, we take we assume, suppose that let the regression equation of y on x be first one. Or you can take let the regression equation of x on y, anything. Answer is same. So I take let the regression equation of y on x be 3x plus 4y equals 1. Let the regression equation of y on x be 3x plus 4y equals 1, I will take. Okay. let the regression equation of y on x be the first one. I'll take 3x plus 4y equals 1. Then another one will be regression equation of x on y. I'll take it as equation 2. So first equation, regression equation, I'll take as the regression equation of y on x, 3x plus 4y equals 1. And another I will take it as regression equation of x on y, that is 3x plus 4y equals 4. Now, the first equation is the regression equation of y on x, is it not? The first equation is regression equation of y on x. So we write it as y equals. We write it in that form, that is y is equal to mx plus c, that type of form. So we take minus 3x this side and then we divide by 4. So we get minus 3 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. We write it as y equals because it is a regression equation of y on x. And the second equation, because it's a regression equation of x on y, we write it as x equals. So take y that side. So 3x equals minus y plus 4, x equals minus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Okay. This is the regression equation of y on x. This is the regression equation of x on y. This part will be b of yx. Regression equation of y on x means the coefficient of x will be b of yx with the sign. Regression equation of x on y means the coefficient of y will be b of xy. The coefficient of y will be b of xy with the sign. So here b of yx will be minus 3 by 4 and b of xy will be minus 1 by 3. It will be minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now, once we know the regression coefficients, b of xy and b of ix, we can find r. So r is equal to the formula plus or minus square root of b of yx into b of xy or b of bxy into byx. So I wrote the formula here. So r equals plus or minus square root of minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 3, 3 cancels. 1 by 4 is 0.25, square root of 0.25 is minus 0.5, it's 0.5, plus or minus 0.5. Now the question comes whether to write it as plus or whether to write it as minus. So the note I have given also I used in previous problems. If both byx and bxy are negative, if both bxy and byx are negative, then our coefficient of correlation should be negative. If both byx and byx are negative, if both byx and byx and bxy is negative, then r should be negative. If both byx and bxy are positive, then r should be positive. That is from the note. I wrote a negative from note. How I got the negative sign from note. Okay. This is the regression coefficient of the regression line y on x. Y on x means byx. This is the regression coefficient of the regression equation x on y. So x on y means it will be b of xy, bxy. So I hope it is clear. This is a very important question. Same type of question is there in a model question paper. Please solve it. Now, sometimes this question will have some problems. That is, sometimes it will not come directly like this. Why I will tell you. Because there will be the problem in assumption. Here we assume, here. Let the regression equation of y on x be here. There will be problem sometimes. That time you will not get the regression answer correctly. So what it is, you will see in the second problem, that type of arguments. Now see the second question. This is also from old question paper. In a bivariate data, the regression lines are 2x minus y plus 4 equals 0, x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Find x bar and y bar and find, second sub question is find r. Again I repeat, in a bivariate data, the regression lines are 2x minus y equals 4. Okay, 2x minus y plus 4 equals 0 and x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Find x bar and y bar and also find r. Question is, so as just like the previous problem, the point of intersection for the first sub question, the point of intersection of the regression lines is x bar comma y bar. That is, the regression lines meet at the point. They intersect at the point x bar comma y bar. So the value of x bar and y bar can be calculated by solving the two equations. That is 2x minus y equals minus 4, x minus y is equal to minus 1, or any other method, RCM method, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, etc. So I suggest you the best method is use your calculator and solve it. It is a simultaneous linear equation. You have to use calculator for other problems also. So you can use here also. So you get x equals minus 3 and y equals minus 2. Here you get x equals minus 3 and y equals minus 2. So the mean x bar equals minus 3 and y bar equals minus 2. So the mean x bar equals minus 3 and y bar equals minus 2. X bar equals minus 3 and y bar equals minus 2. Now we go to the, I hope it is clear. This is just like the previous problem. Now find r. So what we do, as in the previous problem, I will take, let the regression equation of y on x be the first one, 2x minus y equals 4, and the regression equation of x on y be x minus y plus 1 equals 0. So like that, so suppose, so I underlined it, let the regression equation of y on x, be 2x minus y plus 4 equals 0. Let the regression equation of y on x be 2x minus y plus 4 equals 0. I took it. Or you can take x on y also. And if this is the regression equation of y on x, then another one will be the regression equation of x on y. Only two, y on x, x on y. And the regression equation of x on y be the second one, that is x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Take it as 2. So the first one is 1, second one is 2. Now 1 becomes, because it is the regression equation of y on x, we write it as y equals. So y equals 2x plus 4. Because the second one is the regression equation of x on y, we write it as x equals. Okay, we write it as x equals. So x equals y minus 1. Take it as 2. Again, I am giving the name 1 and 2. First equation y on x, second equation x on y. Because the first equation is the regression equation y on x, we write it as y equals 2x plus 4. Because the second equation is the regression equation of x on y, we write it as x equals. Now, from here, regression equation y on x, so byx equals 2. And from the equation 2, that is the coefficient of y here, so bxy will be equal to 1. This is clear. From 1 and 2, we get byx as 1, that is the regression coefficient of y on x, and bxy, regression coefficient of x on y, respectively 2 and 1. This is clear. Now, coefficient, once you get byx and bxy, that is the regression coefficient of x on y and y on x and x on y, we calculate r. So the formula is r is equal to plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. We have been using this. So plus or minus 2, square root of 2, and square root of this is, there is some due to scanning, one part is gone. This is 1.414. Just note it down, it is there here. So it will be plus. Why it is plus? Plus 1.4. Why it is plus? Because since both the regression coefficients are positive, we get 1.414. Since both the regression coefficients are positive, this also r should also be positive. If it is both are negative, r should be negative. If both are positive, r should be positive. So since both are positive, here r will also be positive. So 1.414 and 1.414, you see here it is more than 1. You can see here r value is more than 1. But you know from the theory, from the concepts, from the note, that the value of r is in between minus 1 and plus 1. The value of r is in between minus 1 and plus 1. Here you got 1.414, it is more than 1. Therefore, it cannot be correlation coefficient. Here the r value is 1.414. It is more than 1. It cannot be. R value should always be in between minus 1 and plus 1. So, once again repeat, it is plus or minus 1.414. But here, since both byx and the regression coefficients y on x and the regression coefficient x on y, byx and bxy, are positive, r will be positive. Now, here this 1.414 is greater than 1, but r value should be in between minus 1 and plus 1. Regression coefficient of correlation. Therefore, it cannot be coefficient of correlation coefficient. Therefore, our assumption regarding the regression equation should be changed. When such type of case arises, where you are getting r greater than 1, our assumption should be changed. What is the assumption? We took here, let the regression equation y on x, take it as x on y. Our assumptions is wrong. So we proceed, we take this as x on y, we take this as y on x. I hope it is clear. So we got r greater than 1. So when such type of case arises, this cannot be correlation coefficient, because the correlation coefficient should be in between minus 1 and plus 1. It should be in between minus 1 and plus 1. So our assumption is wrong. So we change our assumption. So let the regression equation of y on x be this we take as y on x, this we take as x on y. So Let the regression equation of y on x be x minus y plus 1 equals 0. That is 2. 2 I take as y on x and 1 I take as x on y, like that. So let the regression equation of y on x be x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Regression equation of x on y be 2x minus y plus 4 equals 0. I hope it is followed. I repeated 2-3 times. Very simple. Try to understand. And now, as before, because this is the regression equation of y on x, we write it as y equals. So y equals, so what we get, y equals x plus 1. And because this is the regression equation of x on y, we write it as x equals. So y minus 4. Then we divide by 2. So 1 by 2 y minus 2. Now, because this is the regression equation of y on, this is the regression equation of y on x, this will be byx. So byx equals 1. Because this is the regression equation now on x on y, we get bxy equals 1 by 2. bxy equals 1 by 2. So we got byx equals 1, byx equals 1 by 2. Now we find r. So coefficient of correlation r is given by plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. R equals plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. So r is equal plus or minus square root of 1 into half. That's approximately 0.71. And then the question comes plus or minus whether it is positive or negative. You can see here both the regression coefficients are positive. You can see here both the regression coefficients y on x, that is byx, and x on y, bxy. Both the regression coefficients are positive. So r should be also positive. If both are negative, r will be negative. If both are positive, r will be positive. So we got this as positive plus 0.71. So now the coefficient of correlation r should be minus 1, should be in between minus 1 and plus 1. So it satisfies. And since regression coefficients are positive, correlation coefficient is also positive. So r is this is the correct answer. These are the two methods. So once again, see this problem. In a bivariate data, the regression equation lines are 2x minus y plus 4 equals 0 and x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Find x bar and y bar and find r. Now, x bar and y bar, very simple. The regression equations, the point of intersection, there are two regression equations always. The point of intersection of the regression equation is x bar, y bar. That means you have to find the point of intersection. That is by solving. So we write the two equations in this form or any form. And you know how to use your calculator. Use the calculator and you should get same answer. X equals minus 3 and x equals minus 2. Okay, so now x bar is minus 3 and y bar is minus 2. So now we proceed. We take the first equation as y on x, regression equation of y on x, second as x on y. Depends, whatever you can take. You can take x on y, y on x, whatever. Okay, I proceed like this. Equation 1, equation 2, y on x, x on y. Because the first equation is y on x, we write it as y equals. So y on one side, remaining other sides. So y equals 2x plus 4. Because the second equation is x on y, we write it as x equals. Okay. Now comparing the regression coefficients. Y on x means byx. X on y means bxy. So byx is 2, bxy is 1. Now, once you get byx and bxy, the coefficient of correlation r is plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. We will get square root of 2 plus or minus 1.414. A little bit cut here, just note down, plus or minus 1.414. But since both the regression coefficients bxy and byx are positive, r will be positive. If both are negative, r will be negative. If both are positive, r will be positive. Okay. Now, but the value you got is 1.414, that is greater than 1. The regression coefficient value should be in between minus 1 and plus 1. The coefficient of correlation r, this one, the coefficient of correlation r should be in between minus 1 and plus 1. Here it is more than 1. Therefore, it cannot be correlation coefficient. Therefore, what we do, we have to find again by changing our assumptions. Our assumption of regression equations is changed. Now we take second equation as y. There we took first equation as y on x, second equation as x on y. So we take now first equation as y on x, second equation as x on y, and proceed. Since the first equation is y on x, we write y equals. If the second equation is x on y, we write x equals. If you get the answer directly, okay. Otherwise, like this. Then, since this is the equation y on x, first equation, that is equation 2 is y on x. So byx equals 1, bxy equals 1 by 2. So now coefficient of correlation r is plus or minus square root of byx into bxy. That will be plus or minus square root of 1 into half. Plus or minus square root of 1 into half. That is approximately you will get plus or minus 0.71. Just check your calculator, you will get the answer. Now plus or minus, because both byx and bxy are positive, the coefficient of correlation R will be positive. If both byx and bxy are negative, the coefficient of correlation R will also be negative. But since here both byx and bxy are positive, R will be positive. Now since regression coefficients are positive, the coefficient of correlation is also positive. This will be the correct answer. So I solved today two problems, very important problems. It is there in the model question paper, same type of problem. Please solve it. Now I'd like to summarize. In today's class, we just solved one problem from homework which I had given yesterday. That is using the formula regression coefficients byx, bxy and coefficient of correlation R. And then we solved important two problems. That is the regression lines will be given to find mean of x bar and mean of y bar and coefficient of correlation R. The two methods that you will get when solving the problem I have discussed. And you should know very well that if byx and bxy are positive, R is positive. If bxy and byx are negative, R is negative. And also the value of R, the coefficient of correlation R is in between -1 and +1. So these are very important problems. Please do it. From the model question paper, please solve it. So I wind up the class now. Tomorrow I'll continue the session at 12. Thanks. All the best.